How to reduce phone lag without factory reset. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can reduce phone lag without factory reset. Now before we begin, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now without any further ado, let's begin. So to reduce phone lag without a factory reset, you can manage your phone's storage and memory. Also adjust your system settings and just some general maintenance. So to check your phone's storage, go to your settings, search for the set storage option. You can see how much storage you have left, and you'll need to ensure that you have at least 15 to 20% of your total storage space available for your optimal performance. So if you don't, you can just delete stuff. You can delete apps, photos, videos, and any unused apps. You can also clear out app cache. So for that, head over to apps. On your apps, you can find the app that you use the most, let's say TikTok. Go to storage and cache, and from here you can see the cache option. Tap on it and you can see clear cache option. Tap on that to clear out the cache. And now for some system settings, you might want to restart your phone regularly. A simple restart can clear temporary files and background processes that may be causing slowdowns. So press the volume up and power button together and tap on the restart button. You will need to update your software as well. So go to your settings, scroll down till you find system. On your system, you'll find system updates. Tap on it and then update your system to the latest version. And doing stuff like that, you can reduce your phone lag without a factory reset.